Welcome back to InCAR.nation. Today we have claim is 140i value here, and we're gonna do wheel bearings on the Dolphin. So as you can see, we're gonna jack the car up now. Yeah, at this point Clement was removing the brake drum to check the bearings. We did all that effort just to find out that the bearing wasn't even faulty, it was just loose. So we tightened the nuts and it was fixed. So we've looked at the bearings. There's not a problem with the bearings that's already on the car, so there's no need for us to replace them. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put this back, the wheel. We're gonna put the wheel on, and then we're gonna take this beauty for a test drive.
Always easier in P than je hebt nou niet.
So this is what's up. Clement is busy chasing the filter, and I'm busy on the suspension. So we're gonna replace this. Hopefully this is the issue, and then we're gonna do the bearing. Gonna strip all of this and check if the bearing is faulty, and then we will continue from there. Okay, right, so this is our problem. There's too much play on the bearings, so they are done. They are move. So we're gonna replace this, throw in some new ones, and then this will be Gucci. They're not gonna put on.
Much later.
Nakakawakal kit. Value was 8%. Car is fixed, so now we are chilling with the electric car. Gooi meer.
Nou
uit van dat is eigenlijk.
Wat leer je daar?
Nee,
En ik is mijn gasket, die tippen.
Guys, at this point I just want to say how much I appreciate the love and the support. I can slowly but surely say and see that there's progress and there's improvement on the channel. So I just want to take this time to thank everyone for their effort to subscribe and to like the videos at least. I'm very grateful for it. So yeah, that will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I drop. Peace out.